Hi there, here is WOLT app. And it's quite popular food delivery app in some countries, for example, in Copenhagen and Denmark. Just like it depends where you use it. It's one of the alternatives. Of course, there is Uber Drive or something. So that's one thing. But this app is just also one of the other apps you want to try out, and it can be a nice alternative. So how it works, I actually like it for a nice design, nice overview. So you can browse just all the offers. So you can just go to discovery, and then of course it's just in Danish, but you can see some nice overviews of, for example, pizzas, and then you can just see what are some good pizzas around. Then you can see some discounts and coupons and all of that. And then, for example, I just want to order from here. And then, I just can favorite it. And then I can just select some pizza, for example, and then I can just add it to order. I can just add some some snacks and mayonnaise, whatever. And then, so I kind of order that. I can just see my items, and I can just go to checkout. I can see set up what's the payment, how I want to deliver as soon as possible. I can schedule for later. I can also just go and pick up here. I can pay with Apple Pay. I can give some tip to the courier. So usually, the delivery here can be quite expensive actually. So don't deliver from the places if you live 5 minutes from the place. The delivery, at least in Denmark, will be $5 for you. So of course, if you just can't walk 100 meters, you can just do that, but it just depends. And you can also order for pickup, and it's also easy. And then they have a new thingy which is called WOLT Plus. This is their monthly subscription, and then you just can have free delivery with that. Then you can just browse all the categories like burger, pizza, Italian food, kebab, salad, Japanese sandwich, Thai, sushi, Indian, so many different categories. And I like this app because it's nicely designed, easy to use. There aren't too much info here. You just what you need, and it's the best places around the city. Then you also can have some offers, some discounts, some nice deals here. You can have some places with fastest delivery. If you want some late night snack, you can have here. Then you can just see what's popular right now in the app. So if you just have no idea what to order, you can just filter by popularity and just order from that place. And also recently what they added is these grocery offers. So sometimes you don't want to order burgers and stuff, you just want to order grocery, but which is not delivered next day or 2 days tomorrow, but which is delivered in 30 minutes. So you can order that. In Europe, there were a lot of apps like Gorillas and all of that with instant grocery deliveries, kind of like Instacart, but they just didn't survive the competition. So maybe now you can use WOLT, and now in WOLT app you can order either restaurant food or just some groceries. So it's kind of pretty cool. And then you just have all of these different places. You just browse around, then you can just bookmark. You just need to try all of these options and then bookmark for you. Then you have all the stores you can search. You can search popular tags. Then you can have just your profile. And then you can see your credits. You can see your order history. You can see your accounts, addresses added from here. I guess it should be quite easy to delete your account if you wanted to do it. So just tap delete your account and then choose a reason and then delete account. So that's what you can do here. You can also enter a promo code if you want. You can earn more credits. Share your code, and then your friends get credits. When your friends join WOLT with your code, they'll get 50 DKK in WOLT credits for each of their first 3 orders. So feel free to use my code HIBFV. And then, yeah, so you can just give discounts to your friends. So that's that. Just not sure how to upgrade to WOLT Plus. So here you can just upgrade to WOLT Plus, and then it has 0 delivery fees, cancel anytime. That's like 90 Danish kronas per month, so it's like $12. I don't actually know in which other countries WOLT is available, but it's pretty popular in Denmark. In Denmark, they have like Just Eat, which is one of the dominative app. Then there is WOLT, which is also quite popular. I guess in US you have like Uber Eats, a bunch of others. But yeah, it's a cool app. I guess in every country you have some nice local app for food delivery, so try it out if you're in Europe.